Imagine if you could perfectly record whatever is going on around you without the need of like focusing on your camera, without the need of framing the subject, being there, being focused all the time, without worrying about like, are you getting stable shots? It would be a dream for anyone. Whether you're a casual video maker capturing your life adventures, an intrepid vlogger, or a professional filmmaker who is showcasing his work. Well guys, today all of this is possible just with one tiny camera. And quite surprisingly, I'm not talking about GoPro today, but rather one of their main competitors, which is Insta360. So Insta360 just sent me the One X2 camera, and I'm very excited to bring it here on the channel for the first time and show you guys what you can do with it. Hey, I'm Andy, filmmaker and author of Project GoPro, my video making school. On the site, you'll find the link down in the description. You can find dozens of free tutorials where you can get started making better videos with your action camera, whether it's a GoPro or an Insta360 or whatever action camera, or even like normal cameras, because here we just talk about, how to improve, how to make better videos with, with your camera that you would use every day. So now let's go ahead with the unboxing. I can't wait to open it up. Let's do it together then. I already opened the box, the main box, but I haven't basically checked out what's going on inside. So this is the box that Insta360 just sent me. I can see that they included like a motorcycle mount bundle. There is an SD card by Insta360, so they also produce SD cards. It's my first time to try out one of their products, so like, I haven't got any experience with their products, so let's have a look together how it looks like. This is a lens cap, because I believe this is quite fragile and maybe can break if it falls on the floor, so the lens cap would be really useful for that purpose. This is the camera itself, and then we've got, I guess, a stick. So let's start with the camera. Ooh, it looks very nice. It's quite compact to be a 360 camera, even compared to the GoPro one. It's smaller than the GoPro Fusion, for example. Yeah. So here we got the camera, then accessory bag. Let's have a look what's inside. So instruction manuals, here's a cloth, and then some stickers, Insta360, very nice ones. It's like they provide stickers like GoPro does. And here what we got, it's a cable, USB-C, to charge the camera. What is this? Let's have a look. It's like a cover. A little case to protect the camera. It comes with it, very nice. It's very small. If you look at it, it's like you can fit. By the way, it's almost Christmas, so that's why I wear this. So you can fit it in the pocket. It's very, very small. Let's see it. Oh, I love doing this. Oh, the battery one and the one on the screen. Let's turn it on. I hope it's charged. So there is a button on the side where you can just turn it on. Wow, it's on. So as you can see, it has a circular screen. It fits like the 360 view very well. So it's a touch screen. It's my first time turning it on, so I don't know where to press. I have no idea what I'm doing, so I'm just trying it with you guys live here with you. So it looks like that I can select. I can either choose to have a 360 view or a normal view, like just one frame, like a normal camera. From the button on the right, I can flip. I can choose which lens is gonna use. So right now it's pointing the table, and if I press it again, I think it's gonna turn on this one. In fact, I can see myself right now, and Let's have a look. If I do just like play with the menu, I can see different settings, which I'm not going through because I have no idea what they do. But this is how the camera looks like. Let's turn it off. I'm gonna test it better later on. I wanna take it out while I do different activities and record some videos and then show you guys how the quality looks like, you know, and my opinion, what I think about it after having tested it like properly. But for now, I'm just gonna show you like how it looks and try to take out the battery to see how everything looks. The battery looks quite big compared to, you know, like GoPro batteries and other small cameras like this, action cameras. But if it's big, that must mean, I hope, that the battery will last longer. Then this camera should be also waterproof, up to 10 meters, I guess. Then here there is another port. It's a USB-C port. I think you can connect the cable to charge it up and also to connect it to the computer. It's quite minimalistic, as you can see it. It has on the side the microphone, I guess, because I can see little holes in here, and that's it. Very simple. On the bottom, it has a connector where you can attach it to any tripod with a screw. So this is the camera. Let's open up the lens cap. Let's have a look how it is. All right, this is the lens cap. It makes sense to have one of these. It's quite important, I think, because as you can see, it has two lenses that are quite like, you know, if it falls, it's gonna break it for sure. So the lens cap, it's a good protector for them. Then let's open up this little package, which I guess it includes a stick. I've seen this around on YouTube, and this one should be the stick that it's invisible. So when you record 360, it attaches just here. When you record like 360, this one, the stick shouldn't be visible. So we'll have a look at it later. Let's see if it works properly. So this is the one. That's very cool. Let's open the motorcycle bundle, which I'm gonna test it later in the next few days with the bike. All right. Wow. They look quite a lot. A few accessories. This is what we got inside the motorcycle bundle. So I guess this is the clip that attaches on the bar on the motorcycle. Looks quite solid. And then we got like different little accessories like this one. I guess they provide different mounts to attach it to different parts of the bike. Oop. And finally, all of these accessories, which look similar to the GoPro accessories. I'm gonna have a look at them later when I've got my bike with me, so I can see how to mount it on it, because here right now I have no idea what to do with them. Anyways, this is what I found in the package they sent me. I guess if you buy this on the site, you can get the same kit, because they sell this camera either by itself or with different kits to be able to, you know, mount it on different things and you know, make the most of it while you're shooting your activities and your adventures. So this is it. I'm gonna test it on different activities right now. So let's have a look at the results. right, so I hope you liked the shots. It was just my first time, so I just tried a few of these, but there are so many more that you can do and have fun with. I think this camera is very fun to play with. I really enjoyed my time today trying out all of this, creative stuff. And after, if you go on stories, as I said, you can create a video, you can create a story. So basically you are going to edit your clips, and also this part is very intuitive. It's very simple to use and to learn. So now I just select 3 random clips to show you guys how the app looks like, the editing part. So you can see a timeline where you have clips one after another. You can perform basic edits such as splitting the clip, changing the speed, like changing the volume, and adding music, adding filters, adjusting, all of the color grading, color correction stuff. But something that I really loved is that you can choose very easily, you can choose the frame that you want to show, because of course this is a 360 view, so basically you would get something like this normally. But in this section you can, based on where you move your phone or through the touch screen, you can zoom in, zoom out, and get to choose what part of the frame you want to show. It's very, very cool and simple. So this is how I've made the edit that I just showed you guys before. Everything from the app. I edit all of the clips directly in the app and exported them on my computer. And then of course for the final edit of this tutorial, of this video, I used another editing software. But if you just are doing simple stuff and want to play with this camera and don't need crazy complicated edits, and you want ease of use, then this app it's perfect. All right, so can you hear that? I'm sorry about the noise. There are many birds around this area. I'm trying to do also an audio test. I'm trying to see how this camera sounds. I haven't got any external microphone connected right now, so the audio you're listening, it's directly from the built-in microphone of this Insta360 One X2. Thanks so much to Insta360 for sending one sample to me so that I could try it out, test it, and bring it to the channel finally. It's been a while that I was looking at Insta360 products, and finally the chance has arrived. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're looking for a camera that can shoot 360, this is amazing. Of course, I haven't had the chance to try it on many different locations and occasions yet, but so far what I've tested, my feedback, it's very positive. These are the key points of this camera. It's compact and small. It has a nice design. It's very simple, intuitive to use, including the app. From the app you can control the camera, you can watch tutorials and learn how to use the camera. There are many tutorials that teach you how to take crazy, incredible shots, very creative shots. And from the app you can also edit your videos without the need of a third-party app, without the need of our computer. So in the end, yeah, my feedback is very positive. Then stay tuned, because in the next coming weeks, I'm gonna shoot more with this camera. I'm gonna do more videos, test it out more, and try to bring more videos to the channel. So stay tuned if you wanna see more videos from Insta360 One X2 camera. And if you like the video, of course, like it and subscribe, as it will help the YouTube algorithm show it to other filmmakers or just video enthusiasts like you. And I'll see you soon. Have a good holiday, Christmas holiday. Peace.